Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule 2 full guide. Start by gathering your W-2, Form 1099, and expense records so you have everything ready. Work line by line and enter totals only after you verify each source. Keep receipts sorted and note deductible amounts clearly. If you use tax software, match your manual totals to the software entries to avoid errors and speed the process. When filling key lines on Schedule 2, identify whether income or adjustments belong in each section and stick to those categories. Use source documents to input exact figures and avoid estimates. For adjustments, calculate totals carefully and list supporting items so you can back them up. Finally, transfer the final totals to your main tax return and compare to ensure both forms match before filing. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear tax help for you. Quick recommendation: try those leak-proof containers for meal prep so you can pack lunches easily while handling tax paperwork without soggy messes. They make organizing lunches and receipts oddly satisfying and keep your desk tidy during long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Common mistakes on Schedule 2 often come from small overlooked income items and transcription errors. Review interest, freelance, and miscellaneous receipts to ensure nothing is omitted. Double-check each figure when moving numbers between forms or into tax software and reconcile totals with bank statements. Taking a few extra minutes now prevents audits and costly amendments later and keeps your return accurate and stress-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.